welcome to you all in OICS YouTube channel of Sultanpur. In this lecture, I will teach to you about gaseous pressure. In past lecture, it said that laws of gases, but in this lecture, I will explain about gaseous pressure. Gaseous pressure exerted by molecules of gas on the walls of vessel. Okay, what is the formula of gaseous pressure? As you know that at higher temperature, all real gas behave like the ideal gas, and at higher temperature also all real gas behave like the ideal gas regarding to the Charles law or regarding to the Bayes law also. It means all real gas always so behave like the ideal gas at higher temperature. So you have been seen to this events. In this lecture, I am going to explain or formulate the formula of gas molecules exerting on the walls of vessel, so that gaseous pressure, formula of gaseous pressure, formula of gaseous pressure. As you know that all molecules of gas always is in moving on order inside any vessel, and during the motion molecules of gas exerting a force on per unit surface area of walls of vessel. It means you can say that molecules of gas exerting a pressure on the walls of vessel. So we will explain that how many pressure exerting by the molecules of gas on the walls of vessel in this lecture. Let that this is a cubical vessel. This is a cubical vessel. This is a cubical vessel which course are same measurement. This is a cubical vessel which edges are same dimensions. Let that this is the a reference point O, and we can take this direction as horizontal direction which called to x direction, and this direction is vertical direction which called to y direction, and this direction is perpendicular to the xy plane which called to z direction. For the confirmation, I assume this wall's name is A. Let that ideal gas or any gas you can fill inside this vessel. Let that the number of small n molecule filled in this vessel and the mass of a molecule is small m. Okay, let that small m molecule moving toward wall A with a velocity of Vx. Let that I am mass molecule moving along x direction toward a wall, okay, and the collision velocity of molecules which mass is small m is Vx meter per second, and in this way you can consider which molecule moving along the y direction, which velocity you can take Vy, and this direction velocity you can take Vz. At first we will explain only x direction. After that I will explain along this portion y direction momentum and z direction momentum for the every direction momentum, so that we can see according to diagram the number of molecules filled in the vessel is small m, and the mass of a molecule of gas is small m, and the velocity of molecules of gas is Vx along the x direction toward the wall A. According to diagram, according to diagram, it is very important explanation or derivation of the kinetic theory of gases. According to diagram, the changing in the momentum of molecules in a collision, in a complete collision. Okay, let that the length of this is or this side is L, and this side is L also, and this side is L also, because cube has each side has same measurement. So that this side is L, this side length is L, so this side L is length, because this vessel like that the cube, and cube has same side as same edges. So that what we mean by a complete collision? Under a complete collision, if any molecule cover distance L from one to another point, and from another to one point in returning distance is L, so that if any particle approach at initial position covering from the final position, so that it whole distance cover to the complete collision. Under the complete collision, a molecule covered L distance, from to L distance means to L distance. It means under a complete collision, particle covers L distance, and after collision return at initial position, so that from initial to final and from final to initial, this a complete round called a complete collision. It means under a complete, इसको आप ध्यान से सुने, under a complete collision the collide body covered twice distance of its journey. A complete collision means L covering from initial to final, from final to initial L. So a complete collision, the covered or traveled distance by the collide material will be 2L. Okay, let me remind that. Okay, so that under a complete collision, the covered distance by the collided body is 2L. Okay, according to diagram, changing in the momentum, of molecule in a complete collision. In a complete collision. changing in the momentum. As you know that, यहाँ पे अगर हम आपको समझाना चाहें, then you will find that how many changing in the momentum in a complete collision. So you can explain that what is the initial momentum? Initial momentum toward the wall is mvx. Okay, very good. And final collision will be minus mvx. Okay, because momentum is a vector quantity, so momentum will depend on the direction. So from this point toward the wall momentum, we will take positive and opposite direction. After the collision, this mass returned in back direction. So in back direction, the sign of momentum will be changed. So P1 is the positive momentum and P2 is the negative momentum. P1 toward momentum the wall and P2 is the momentum against to the wall. So that are opposite direction of the wall. This direction is positive momentum and this direction negative momentum. Because of this is initial momentum, and after collision this will be called the final momentum. So the change of momentum equal to P2 minus P1. P2 is minus mvx and P1 is mvx. So you can write this change in momentum in a complete collision minus 2 mvx. Minus 2 mvx, it means at a collision, at a complete collision, the changing in the momentum is minus 2 mvx. Changing in the momentum is minus 2 mvx. So according to first para, you can write according to first para. What is the first para? Changing in the momentum of molecules in a complete collision. एक कंप्लीट कोलिजन में मोमेंटम में चेंजिंग कितना हुआ? माइनस 2 mvx. माइनस 2 mvx. देखा गया कि आफ्टर कोलिजन द momentum contained by molecule is minus 2 mvx. So you can ensure that how many momentum provided to the wall by the molecules. So you can explain that the momentum provided to the wall by the molecule will be plus 2 mvx, plus 2 mvx, like that. मान लीजिए कि यहाँ पे हम किसी से मिलते हैं, हमारे जेब से मिलने के बाद हमारे जेब माइनस 2 रुपया हो गया. इसका मतलब हमने पॉजिटिव रुपया, जितना हमारे पास माइनस हुआ उतना पॉजिटिव हमने लॉस किया. So that by this concept, changing in the momentum of molecule in a complete collision minus 2 mvx. So you can say providing momentum to the wall A by molecule plus 2 mvx, change momentum minus 2 mvx. So you can say that if after collision change molecule के momentum में changing minus 2 mvx है, तो आप बेफिक्र विदाउट एनी हेस्टेंस दिल खोल के कह सकते हैं कि आफ्टर द कोलिजन रिमेनिंग आर कंटेनिंग आर गेनिंग मोमेंटम बाय द मॉलिक्यूल इज minus 2 mvx. So that you can say that the providing momentum to the wall A is plus 2 mvx, plus 2 mvx at a complete collision. Very good. In a complete collision, ठीक है. As you know that 1 सेकेंड में नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन, 1 सेकेंड में नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन, because the velocity of molecule toward the wall is vx meter per second, vx मीटर पर सेकेंड। तो एक कोलिजन में टेकन टाइम, एज यू नो दैट टेकन टाइम in a complete collision, in a complete collision time equal to distance by speed. A complete collision, already I explained, under a complete collision taken distance by molecule becomes L going and L returning, so that complete distance will be 2L, 2L by Vx. As you know that taken time in a complete collision 2L by Vx second, Vx second. So you can say number of collision per second, number of collision, number of collision per second, will be Vx upon 2L, because and 2L by Vx सेकेंड में 1 कंप्लीट कोलिजन, तो 1 सेकेंड में 1 बाई 2L बाई Vx पलट के हो जाएगा Vx अपॉन 2L कोलिजन, 2L कोलिजन, because under 1 collision, under 1 collision हो गया collision, providing momentum equal to plus 2mvx, under 1 collision providing momentum equal to plus 2mvx according to past explanation. So इतने कोलिजन, चूंकि एक कोलिजन में इतना मोमेंटम दिया वाल को, तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन पर सेकंड इतने कोलिजन में। सो in the Vx upon 2L collisions providing momentum will be how many? 2mvx into Vx by 2L, 2 clean bold, mvx square by L. So you can say 1 second or per second providing collision to the wall of vessel will be mvx square by L. एक चक्कर में दीवार ए को प्रोवाइडिंग कोलिजन विल बी mvx स्क्वायर बाय L, इतना mvx स्क्वायर बाय L. So you can say that this is the collision per second भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, पर सेकंड, चूंकि 1 सेकंड के लिए हमने टक्कर निकाली है, पर सेकंड मोमेंटम कॉल्ड द अदर नेम ऑफ फोर्स. This is a type of force because you know that already according to second law of Newton, per second collision called a physical quantity which name is force. How you can explain this? F equal to delta P by delta T. Per second changing in the momentum called the name of force. Because of this is a per second momentum, so we can treat to this parameter as a force, so we can say Vx square upon L is like a force, clear, like a force. Thus exerting pressure on the wall A, P equal to F upon area, because this is like that a force exerting by molecule on the walls of vessel without any resistance. You can write mvx square by al mvx square by al, because A is the bottom surface area and L is the height of the vessel. So you can write on the place of Al is the volume of vessel. P equal to mvx square upon v. As you know that if we explain this is the equation number first, equation number, we can say the number of molecule in the vessel is n, so that if the velocities of molecules along the x direction are Vx1, Vx2, Vx3, Vxn. So the average velocities along the x-axis of molecules of gas will be show the average. In this case already we explained the average property of the real gas, because these laws follow to the only for ideal gas. Real gas cannot follow perfectly to the laws of the gases. For this we always taken the approximate property for the real gas, so that the average in this all event already if any teacher teaches you about the kinetic theory of the gas, that explain that the average property of the real gas, not real property or authentic property of the gas. so that the average velocity of molecule Vx1 square or Vx1 square एवरेज स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर भी आपने टेकन वेलोसिटी Vx1 स्क्वायर Vx2 स्क्वायर स्क्वायर भी आप यहाँ टेक कर सकते हैं, नो एनी डाउट। Vx1 स्क्वायर प्लस Vx2 स्क्वायर Vx3 स्क्वायर डॉट 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 Vxn स्क्वायर अपॉन n which equal to Vx bar square Vx bar square Vx bar indicate the average velocity of molecules along the x direction स्क्वायर इसलिए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ वेलोसिटी व्हिच इक्वल टू स्क्वायर एवरेज वेलोसिटी स्क्वायर एवरेज वेलोसिटी along the x direction of the molecules of gas you will find out Vx square so you can write at the place of Vx square this type जहां Vx square के वेलोसिटी एवरेज वेलोसिटी है Vx square so that you can write Vx square Vx2 square कैसे आप पाएंगे इधर देखिए आप ओके नेक्स्ट फिर से आप लौटे नाउ P net equal net pressure M by V Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus Vx3 square plus dot 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 Vxn square upon n से मल्टीप्लाई n से डिवाइड so you will find smoothly P नेट बार बार नहीं लिखा जाता है, इसका मतलब होता ही है कि नेट प्रेशर ओके so that P net n by V these values are the average mean velocity average mean square velocity average mean square velocity of gas molecule along the x direction which equal to V bar square x लगा के this is the equation number first इसे equation number first यहाँ लिखने की कोई requirement नहीं है ये यहाँ पे तो be called this is the equation number first as you know that in this way इसे px लिखें तो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा ये px लिखें तो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा अच्छा लगेगा सुंदर लगेगा x डायरेक्शन में यह प्रेशर है सो दैट इसे अगर बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा अगर px लिखें सो दैट py in this way px py p सब ऐड करके px का px स्क्वायर बार नेट प्रेशर चाहिए इन दिस वे py इक्वल टू m बाई भी यहाँ पे भी y बार स्क्वायर एंड z डायरेक्शन में pz इक्वल टू m बाई भी vz बार स्क्वायर नेट प्रेशर अब नेट प्रेशर आएगा नाउ P net equal to m by v कॉमन है v x बार स्क्वायर प्लस v y बार स्क्वायर प्लस v z बार स्क्वायर. I know that कि लेट दैट इन सब का रिजल्टेंट बिकॉज आप जानते हैं कि वी एक्स इक्वल टू वी वाई इक्वल टू वी जेड इक्वल टू वी. तो लेट दैट वी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वी वाई स्क्वायर बार लगा के एवरेज भी यहाँ पे सेम होगा एंड वी जेड बार स्क्वायर लेट दैट वी स्क्वायर where v bar square is the resultant of vx, vy and v. v bar square resultant mean square वैल्यू है, resultant mean square वैल्यू है. vx स्क्वायर x डायरेक्शन में resultant x डायरेक्शन में मीन वैल्यू के स्क्वायर है, y डायरेक्शन में मीन वैल्यू के स्क्वायर है, z डायरेक्शन मीन वैल्यू के स्क्वायर है एंड ये जो है रिजल्टेंट मीन स्क्वायर है आप ईच डायरेक्शन के लिए. सो दैट vx इक्वल टू vy, तो vx bar square at the place of vy you can write vx bar square because vx bar equal to vy bar square and over here you can write also vx square because of vx bar square equal to vz bar square. So that vx bar square equal to v bar square. So 3 vx बार स्क्वायर बार मीन्स मीन इंडिकेट कर रहा है v बार स्क्वायर. सो vx बार स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1/3 v बार स्क्वायर. ओवर हियर v बार स्क्वायर इज द रिजल्टेंट मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ गैस. एट द प्लेस ऑफ दिस यू कैन राइट व्हाट P net equal to mn by v. Behalf these component are equation at the place of n multiply सब कुछ n हो गया वो सब हो गया है इस प्लेस का. इसका रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू हमने v बार स्क्वायर कंसीडर किया है. सो दैट एट कास्ट ये पोर्शन लिखने का कोई यहाँ पे वैल्यू का कोई वो नहीं, डायरेक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं 1/3 v बार स्क्वायर इसका रिजल्टेंट है. सो दैट पी नेट को हम p लिखेंगे 1/3 m n बाई v बार स्क्वायर. और this is the complete form of gaseous pressure exerting by molecules of gas on the wall of vessel. At last P equal to you can write 1/3 m upon v into v bar square. v bar square एवरेज मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी है ऑफ गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल. m इज द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द molecules filled in the of the gas, not molecule. m is the gaseous mass filled in the vessel. So that you can write 1/3 mass upon volume को आप डेंसिटी भी कह सकते हैं स्क्वायर. दिस इज अ complete form of the formula of gaseous pressure. Thank you.